Past Continuous Tense. Di video ini, saya akan membahas tentang segala hal yang berkaitan dengan Past Continuous Tense, mulai dari pengertian, tujuan, cara pengaplikasian, baik secara lisan maupun tulisan, bentuk-bentuk kalimat, dan masing-masing contohnya. Selamat menyaksikan. Pertama-tama, kita harus mengetahui pengertian dari Past Continuous Tense terlebih dahulu. Past continuous tense expresses an activity or action that was in progress in the past, an activity that began, occurred, and continued in the past. Yang artinya mengekspresikan suatu aktivitas atau tindakan yang sedang terjadi atau berlangsung di masa lalu, suatu kegiatan yang dimulai, terjadi, dan berlanjut pula di masa lalu. Selanjutnya, kita juga harus mengetahui tujuan dari past continuous tense, yaitu first, to show that an action started, took place, and finished in the past, yang artinya untuk menunjukkan bahwa suatu tindakan dimulai, berlangsung, dan selesai pula di masa lalu. Contohnya, I was reading a book at 9. Aktivitas membaca buku dimulai, berlangsung, dan selesai pula di masa lalu. Dalam kata lain, sekarang saya tidak sedang membaca buku. Second, to show that an action began first and was still occurring at the time of another action occurred. Artinya, untuk menunjukkan bahwa suatu tindakan dimulai terlebih dahulu dan masih terjadi pada saat tindakan yang lain terjadi. Contohnya, she was drinking a cup of coffee when Tia came. Dia sedang minum secangkir kopi ketika Tia datang. Jadi, dia minum teh setelah Tia datang dan masih berlangsung ketika Tia datang. Kedua peristiwa tersebut terjadi di masa lampau. Third, to show that two actions took place at the same time. Untuk menunjukkan dua tindakan yang terjadi pada saat bersamaan di masa lalu. Contohnya, Luna was studying while Lucy was reading. Luna sedang belajar ketika Lucy sedang membaca. Artinya, kedua peristiwa ini terjadi di saat yang bersamaan di masa lampau. Sekarang, kita masuk ke bentuk kalimat past continuous tense. Untuk membentuk atau mengucapkan kalimat past continuous tense, kita harus menggunakan to be, was, were, ditambah dengan present participle, ing, pada kata kerja dalam kalimatnya. Contohnya, he was playing games. Dia sedang bermain games. Pertama, statement atau kalimat pernyataan. Subject I, she, he, it, plus to be was, plus verb ing, reading, I was reading. Subject you, we, they, plus to be were, plus verb ing, reading, you were reading. Kedua, kalimat negatif. Subject I, she, he, it, plus to be was, plus not, plus verb ing, reading, I was not reading. Subject you, we, they, plus to be were, plus not, plus verb ing, reading, you were not reading. Ketiga, question. To be was, plus subject I, she, he, it, plus verb ing, reading, was are reading. To be were, plus subject you, we, they, plus verb ing, reading, were you reading? When versus while. When I went to the market, she was coming. The action that occurred at a specific time, therefore, it is followed by the form of simple past tense. Maksudnya, tindakan yang terjadi pada waktu tertentu. Oleh karena itu, diikuti oleh bentuk simple past tense. I went to the market while she was coming. The action that follows is in progress, therefore it is followed by the form of past continuous tense. Maksudnya, suatu tindakan yang mengikutinya sedang berlangsung, maka digunakan bentuk past continuous tense. More examples. Lucia was watching a Korean drama at 10. While she was taking a bath, her friend called her. Evan was not playing his computer when his parents arrived. While we was walking to the class, we did not see the teacher. Was he waiting for me yesterday? Sekian dari pembahasan tentang past continuous tense. Jika masih ada yang kurang mengerti, silakan tinggalkan pesan di kolom komentar. Don't forget to like, Subscribe and comment our video and see you again.